Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have my sew sampler for September. So let's dig in and see what we got here. Hidden gem. Okay, let's see. And this is our little pamphlet that tells everything that's in the box. So the first item is quilt clips. Keeps quilt neat while hand or machine quilting. Durable plastic retains tension and works on quilt or wall hanging. Okay, so you roll up your quilt, and you put this around it like that, and it holds it. So it says quilt clips are specially designed to enhance your home quilting. It rolls up and keeps your quilt sandwich out of the way as you quilt, and it fits beautifully in the throat of domestic sewing machines. Make your home quilting fuss-free with these easy-use, pretty, and purple clips. Retail value $9.98. It's a set of two, 108 by 94 millimeters. So here is that. Let's see. So that's that. Oh, here's one more thing here. That isn't fabric. So we have a Gypsy Quilters silicone Applifuse mat. Perfect surface for all of your fusing, ironing, gluing needs. So this is like one of those cooking silicone mats. It's a 7x7 silicone Applifuse mat by the Gypsy Quilter. The silicone Applifuse mat is excellent for awesome applique. Use it to easily iron over applique, mess-free, and the see-through, non-slip surface lets you press exactly where you need to. It can be used with any iron setting and all iron-on fusible items, and can withstand heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Retail value is $18.98. So yeah, I use these same kind of mats for when I'm cooking. They work great for cooking, so I'm sure it'll be great for exactly what it says it's for. Okay, then we have a couple of, let's see, this is Greatest Hits Album Quilt Track 6. So there's the block. That's what the block looks like for this. Okay, it's Track 6. It's retail value $4.98. And every month we get a new block to work on, which I haven't done yet. So, and there is one more thing here that I just realized. This is the Sewing Life tea towel. I just thought it was a piece of fabric, but it's actually a tea towel. So you can bring your sewing to your kitchen. It says keep a snippet of your sewing life in the kitchen. Yeah, I didn't read that prior either. Keep a snippet of your sewing life in the kitchen with this exclusive tea towel by Stacy Bloomfield of Gingerbread. Flush with classic thimbles, buttons, needles, pins, and more. Not even dirty dishes will dampen your stitchy spirit. Retail value $9.98. And let's see, here's like half the size of it. So it's double this. It's long. Super long. And that's super cute. It'll actually match my kitchen because my kitchen's blue. But I don't know if I can let it get dirty or not. Let's see. Next one is Pack and Go Project Bag Pattern. That's cute. So it's a project here. It's a Sew Sampler exclusive. There's what it looks like. Okay, so says this project bag designed by Sherry McConnell is just what you need for any trip. Large enough to store fabric and notions. It is accented with pretty patchwork while sporting a peekaboo vinyl window. Topped off with handles, this project bag is perfection. Try it with the Petite Balboa Fat Quarter Bundle in this month's box. This pattern retails for $9.98. Okay, now we have our fabric, which is super cute. Let's see. It says Petite Balboa Fat Quarter Bundle, Sherry and Chelsea for Moda Fabrics. I guess that's Sherry and Chelsea. It says Relax into the Soothing Tones of Balboa by Sherry and Chelsea for Moda Fabrics. Breezy blues, teals, and grays slide right into warm oranges and purples for a rich blend of color. Whimsically sketched florals brighten the collection and invite you to retreat to your happiest place. So let this 6-piece fat quarter bundle carry you away. Okay, let's see here. So, okay, that's everything. So we can pretty much just see it all here. This is everything that's in it. So, there are the colors. That's super cute, and this retails for $18.98. So it's just folded differently than fat quarters normally are, so you can see here. It's so pretty. I love these colors. Okay, so that is everything. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.